Well, when I started out, I was younger. My mom went through some hard times and went through divorce and a nervous breakdown, and I didn't really know it at the time that I was emotional. A boy asked me at recess, "Are you a boy or a girl?" What do you say to that? I mean, because I had breasts in grade 2. I mean, I'm happy that I lost all that weight, but at the same time with the extra skin, it feels like I'm still where I was 367 pounds ago. Yeah, it's really hard. So the one thing I couldn't really understand that the doctors would ask me is to rate which part of my body I needed surgery more. So like, this would be number 1, 2, 3, 4. But I don't really know how to answer that question because I want it all done. Like, there's no rating of which one I need most. I need it all done. It all affects me no matter what in some way, shape, or form. So, yeah, I couldn't understand that question. I think it was about 17. I was in Atlanta. My mom won a scholarship to a Bible college, so we went out to Atlanta, Georgia, and they sort of introduced this Carver's Biggest Loser into the whole situation. She lost 50 pounds, and I lost 45 pounds, so I was second place and she was first. And so as soon as I lost all that weight, I started to get my first bit of motivation to keep going and lose it all. I've always had doctors telling me, like, if you lose all this weight, whatever's left over, doctors will fix that, no problem. So that also was another thing that kept ringing in my ear, like, you can do this, you lost 45 pounds, what's the rest? So I went and I continued doing that with those thoughts in my mind, and it kept me going. I've seen 4 different doctors. I've seen 2 in Edmonton, and I've seen 2 in Nova Scotia, all basically getting me to strip down in all my glory to tell me what they can do, and then in the end tell me to put my clothes back on and say, however, it's not covered, it's cosmetic. And I continued to lose all the weight. I exercised every single day. I cut back pretty much everything that was bad. It was completely healthy, nothing was junk. Drinking was just water and milk, no junk food whatsoever, and it took me about, in total, 2.5 to 3 years to lose all my weight, but even after that, I had all the extra skin, and I mean, as happy as people were, like, wow, you must be so proud of all that weight loss, but I have all this extra skin that still at the same time you can't really tell I'm at the weight that I'm at because of all that. So no matter how hard I work, my abs or whatever, I'll never get that 6-pack.